Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn on your game mode in your TCL Android TV. So if you want to turn on the game mode, all you have to do is on your remote control, you can go to settings here on the top right corner. If you press on this button, this menu will pop up. So from this menu, you can scroll down and go to system. And when you click OK on the remote, this will pop up. And if you scroll down, as you can see, there are both sports mode and game mode. So if you want to play games, you can turn on the game mode. This will perform better while playing games. It will load more frame rates and it will have a better performance while playing games. And there is a sports mode here as well, which is for viewing sports like football or cricket. So this is the sports mode, and from here you can turn on the game mode or turn off the game mode. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.